Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to introduce you all this ageless Korean beauty Kim Sung-ryung. She is 54 years old this year. After winning the Miss Korea Beauty pageant in 1988, Kim began her career as a reporter on KBS showbiz news program Entertainment Weekly. She married in 1996 and is a mother of two sons. Kim played the mother of Lee Min-ho in the popular Korean drama The Heirs. Although she is in her 50s, she looks so youthful and charming. Recently, Kim was spotted with glorious long locks looking decades younger than her actual age. Netizens are stunned by her youthful look and well-toned body despite her age. Luckily, she is more than willing to share us her beauty secrets. Here is what Kim had shared with us about her anti-aging secret during an interview. 1. Drink a cup of this super drink every day. Kim mentioned that she drinks a glass of this super drink every day to maintain her health and beauty. This super drink consists of fresh soy milk mixed with flaxseed powder. Sometimes, she will add some fruits inside the drink too. According to her, this super drink makes her feel healthy and confident. Soy milk contains antioxidant compounds known as isoflavones, which play an important role in reducing the appearance of skin aging. It helps to reduce signs of dullness and wrinkles, creating a smoother, more youthful-looking appearance. Meanwhile, flax seeds are rich in fiber and support digestive health, which enable toxins to be removed from our body. Digestive health plays a big role in helping to maintain youthful and healthy-looking skin. 2. Consuming food rich in omega-3. Kim mentioned it is important to consume food rich in omega-3 if we want to delay aging. That's why she added flax seeds to her drink. Flax seeds are great sources of omega-3 fatty acids. There are other foods which are rich in omega-3 too, such as salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, sardines, anchovies, chia seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3 shields your skin from damage due to radiation and has also been known to reduce sun-related skin damage and help in the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Choose the right pillow. Kim mentioned that she chooses her pillow carefully, as using the wrong pillow to sleep can cause you getting neck wrinkles. She don't want her pillow to be too thick, or it will push her head too far forward and cause neck wrinkles. It is not recommended to use a pillow which is too soft too, as it will cause your head to sink down when sleeping, especially if you sleep on your side or on your stomach. Your face might be pressed into your pillow, causing your skin to fold up and form wrinkles. She uses firmer pillow which provides a bit of neck support. She emphasizes that bad sleeping posture can actually cause wrinkles on your face and neck. 4. Doing pilates. Kim's favorite exercise is pilates. Doing pilates helps to keep her body in perfect shape. Pilates can tone your body, improves your muscle tone, balances muscle development, supports beautiful posture, and teaches you to move with ease and grace. Pilates can keep you young, slowing the aging process and increasing your flexibility, strength, and balance. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.